Hi, I'm Violin.
And I'm Levinson, we are from Jiaxiang.
And I'm here today with my Chinese style rice bowl.
And my prawn fritters for GastroBeats. Jiaxiang means hometown, whereby the idea is ordering our food, very filling food for the family to share. Because we feel that good food always brings good memories.
Who's a better cook, Levinson or Violin?
Me.
No.
No?
No.
Okay lor. Me and my sister, I think we grew up more on Chinese food because our dad is always eating Chinese food.
So the flavors you can expect from Jiaxiang is very familiar in a Chinese style sense because that's what reminds us of family.
My dad always like to talk about ancestors. He's a very traditional kampong guy.
天啊，我的爷爷奶奶是大船来新加坡的。
Me and my sister, we look more into tradition also because of our dad lah. So it's sort of like imprinted in our minds in a way. Now we're gonna add in the vegetables.
What?
Oi, help lah. But that is just the flour and then just the prawn on top. Yeah. But for this, we just add in the veggie for more taste lah.
So for the cooking portion, we're gonna start cooking our vegetables first. In with the spinach.
I think I have never worked together with my sister for anything before. Rivalry, no, but working together and hoping that it works out for her, yes. So in case you didn't know that we are siblings, when I first heard that my sister's name was gonna be Violin, when I was about 5 years old, I was a bit shocked. Because I didn't know that my name was based on a hi-fi system.
And also we have a brother in between us and his name is
Cello. C-E-L-L-O. My father is more like a listener. My mom used to sing Getai.
So now I'm going to start on seasoning the rice. So here I have sesame oil, my secret sauce, and just some salt. It's very fragrant from the vegetables inside, and the prawn taste really comes through.
You can actually eat together with the shell. It actually brings out more fragrance. Oh yeah.
It kind of helps to neutralize the blood from the prawn fritters.
Which one better, the rice bowl or the prawn fritter?
Rice bowl.
Nice bowl lor.
If GastroBeats had a flavor, what is
The flavor will be spicy, crunchy, and fun.
I think like Mexican food, spicy and flavorful.
We hope to see you at the Meatmen zone in GastroBeats.
29 May to 22 June 2025.
Come try. 卖拍谁来？来。来吃啊！哎，没有看到你啊！去你家打你啊！没有。